The Mr.pen packing tape gun is designed for heavy-duty packaging and shipping, industrial or commercial use, or using for light jobs at the home or office. The dispenser fits 2-inch wide tape. It is lightweight with a comfortable handle to prevent hand and arm fatigue. The sharp steel blade makes cutting the tape very easy every single time. How to load the tape. Using the roll of tape, pick up the spring-loaded metal piece and push the roll onto the tape gun. Now pull the tape through the opening. Make sure the tape unwind orientation is sticky side down. Pull the tape under the roller and pass it over the plastic gates. Cut off excess tape. How to use your packing tape gun. First, press roller and tape firmly on the box 4 to 5 inches from the top. Then glide the roller and tape along the box. Make sure to not pick your hand up and make constant contact with the roller wheel and box. This will make the tape stick together. Continue to the opposite side 4 to 5 inches from the top of the box. Tilt the dispenser forward and twist to cut tape.